what today is?
Yeah,
What?
anniversary.
Yeah. It's my grandmother's and grandfather's anniversary. So we are making something yummy, delicious, healthy and very tasty dish. And this is to celebrate their anniversary. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Mom and Sons, and today we are making mango Sooji cake.
First, we have to keep our cooker for preheating. For this, I have kept some salt and a cookie cutter. You can place a perforated plate or any stand to give some height. I am keeping this on high flame. The whistle off.
First, take 1/4 cup butter. Ooh, just dump it in. So let's add half cup powdered sugar. Now mix it well. The melted butter is sticking to the spatula. Everything is like a blob because of the butter. Look, it just catches the sugar. So let's add 1 cup mango. Wow. And we'll mix it well. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Now let's mix it well. Now let's add 1 cup semolina or rava. Now let's mix it well. And after mixing,
Mango coming.
batter is ready to go into the oven.
Mango coming. Yes. Mango coming.
We have to cut cake tin, and we have put parchment paper, and we have greased it with butter.
Now let's decorate this with some pistachio on top. Now our cooker is ready. Let's keep tin inside the cooker and let's bake this on medium to high flame for 30 to 35 minutes. Our cake is ready. So let it cool for 15 minutes.
Now our mango rava cake is ready, and happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Here's the card for you.
Thank you.
It's time for cake cutting.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Bye.